Let's be real, we are all drowning in data. But the real trick isn't just collecting it, it's figuring out what to do with it. How do you turn this ocean of raw, messy information into smart, profitable decisions? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into, using the satellite radio giant SiriusXM as our guide.
So you have to ask yourself, if you're a multi-billion-dollar company, how do you pivot? How do you stay alive when the entire world is changing under your feet? That was the big question facing SiriusXM. To survive, they needed a whole new playbook, and it was one that had to be written with data.
I mean, on the surface, everything looked great for SiriusXM, right? Billions in revenue, nearly 29 million subscribers. You'd think they had it made. But as we all know, success today is no guarantee of success tomorrow. The company was staring down a perfect storm of new challenges that really threatened their top spot.
And the pressure was coming from literally everywhere. Their audience was skewing younger, and these folks just had less cash to spend. Then there was this huge untapped market of people buying used cars, but SiriusXM had no clear way to even find them, let alone convert them. On top of all that, new streaming competitors were popping up left and right. They knew they had to get a whole lot smarter, and they had to do it fast.
So what was the big light bulb moment? Their leadership had this crucial realization. The old way of doing things, blasting one single message out to millions of people, was officially over. The future, they decided, was all about personalization. It was about using data to understand exactly who you were talking to and what they needed to hear.
To make that happen, they set this incredibly ambitious goal. They wanted to build a complete 360-degree view of every single customer. This meant knowing way more than just who subscribed. They wanted to know what other services a household used, who was actually driving the car versus who paid the bill. The idea was that every single interaction had to be perfectly tailored and relevant.
And to build this whole vision, they really embraced that phrase we've all heard a million times. Data is the new oil. It's this powerful asset, right? The raw material for insight and growth. But there's a pretty big catch.
Seriously, think about it. What good is crude oil right after it's been pumped out of the ground? It's just this thick, messy black goo. You can't just pour that directly into your car's gas tank. It has to be refined before it has any real value. And data? Well, it's pretty much the exact same story.
This brings us to a golden rule in the world of computing, GIGO. It stands for garbage in, garbage out. And it's so true. It means that if you feed your fancy analytical models messy, unreliable data, you will get useless results. It doesn't matter how powerful your tools are. Bad data in always means bad insights out.
So just like that crude oil needs a refinery, your data needs one too. This whole process is called data preprocessing. It's the absolutely essential step of taking that raw, chaotic, real-world data and transforming it into a clean, reliable, and valuable asset that's actually ready to be analyzed.
Now, this refining process usually has 4 key phases. First up is consolidation. That's just pulling together all your data from all the different places it lives into one spot. Next comes data cleaning, which is all about finding and fixing errors, filling in missing info, and ditching duplicates. After that is transformation, where you standardize the data and normalize it so you can make fair comparisons. And finally, there's data reduction, where you strategically pick out the most relevant info to make your analysis faster and more focused.
Let's zoom in on that second step, data cleaning, because SiriusXM knew this was a must-do. Think of it like a digital spring cleaning. You're hunting down typos, filling in blank fields for things like age or location, and making sure all your entries are consistent. This is how you build a reliable foundation for truly understanding your customers.
And this shows you exactly what that looks like. Before cleaning, it's a total mess. You've got JSmith, the abbreviation CALIF, missing data for age, and weird formatting in the income field. But after cleaning, everything is standardized, it's complete, and it's ready for a computer to actually understand and use.
All right, next up is transformation, and a super important part of this is a process called normalization. Now, why does this matter? Well, imagine you're comparing two things, like household income, which could be in the hundreds of thousands, and the number of kids in that household, which might be something like 3. Without normalization, the huge income numbers would completely overshadow the smaller numbers and skew your results. Normalization brilliantly solves this by putting all of your variables on the exact same scale, usually from 0 to 1, which allows for a truly fair comparison.
So, after all that hard work, consolidating, cleaning, transforming their data, what was the actual payoff for SiriusXM? Well, the results were, to put it lightly, an absolute game changer.
Just look at this. Before they did all this, it took their marketing team 4 full days to figure out if a campaign was working. 4 days! With their new, refined data system, they could see those results almost instantly. This wasn't just a small improvement, it was a total revolution in how they operated.
This newfound speed basically gave them superpowers. All of a sudden, they could adjust campaigns while they were still running to improve how they were doing. They could create these laser-focused offers, not just for a household, but for a specific device within that household. The result? A massive jump in their marketing efficiency and a much, much higher return on investment.
But, this journey isn't just about satellite radio. The challenges SiriusXM faced and the solutions they built, that's really a blueprint for any organization in any industry that wants to be truly data-driven.
So if you take away just one thing from all this, let it be this. Raw data is not the answer. It's just the beginning. The real value, the real insight is created in that thoughtful and, yes, sometimes tedious process of refining that data into something clean, reliable, and powerful.
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. In your own business, or even just in your personal life, what messy, raw, seemingly useless data is just sitting right there in front of you? What valuable insight is just waiting to be unlocked if you're willing to do the refining?